Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And did you know that customizing your website's mobile view in Weebly is just as important as the desktop version? In today's video, I'll walk you through how to edit your Weebly mobile site to ensure it looks great on all devices. So let's get started. First of all, open a web browser on your mobile device and go to Weebly's official website. And once you are logged in, select the website that you want to edit by clicking on the Edit Site option. This will open the website editor, and this is where you will make changes to both your desktop and mobile site. In the editor, look for the device icon which is located at the top of the navigation bar. Click on the mobile icon and select mobile. This allows you to see exactly how your site will look on a smartphone or tablet. Now that you are in the mobile view, you can start customizing. Adjust the text size, rearrange elements and hide sections that might not look good on smaller screens. When you are happy with your mobile site looks, click on the Publish option which is at the top of the navigation bar. Your site is now optimized for mobile visitors, and there you have it. Editing your Weebly mobile site is simple and ensures a great experience for all your visitors. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.